What if I told you the grandest cosmic mystery isn't about alien life, but about the very structure of our universe, and a hidden connection so profound it redefines everything we thought we knew about our place in the cosmos? Imagine a cosmic thread, a gravitational umbilical cord stretching billions of light years, linking our Milky Way to something unimaginably vast, something that tugs at us with the force of a million galaxies. This isn't science fiction, it's a perplexing reality that's been subtly studied for decades, a gravitational anomaly so colossal it warps the very fabric of spacetime and points to an unseen architect on the grandest scale. To understand this cosmic enigma, we need to first grasp a fundamental concept: the Great Attractor. Now, for decades, astronomers have observed a peculiar cosmic phenomenon. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, along with our neighboring galaxies in what's known as the local group, isn't just drifting aimlessly through space. No, we are all hurtling at incredible speeds, hundreds of kilometers per second, towards a specific unseen region of the universe. It's like we're caught in an invisible current, flowing relentlessly towards a cosmic whirlpool. This isn't a gentle drift, it's a powerful, unexplained motion that suggests a monumental gravitational force is pulling us. For a long time, the source of this gravitational pull was termed the Great Attractor, a vague, almost mythological entity encompassing whatever massive, unseen structures were responsible for this sweeping cosmic flow. But the Great Attractor itself wasn't the whole story. As our observational capabilities improved, especially with the study of the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, scientists began to notice something even more intriguing. The universe isn't just expanding, it's also moving in large-scale flows, like rivers of galaxies. And within these flows, there's a dipole effect. Imagine the universe expanding evenly, then imagine a giant hand pulling one side of everything. That's a dipole. It suggests a massive localized gravitational anomaly on a scale previously unimagined, one that's not merely pulling individual galaxies but vast swathes of the cosmos. This was more than just local peculiarities. It hinted at a hidden cosmic design, a gravitational architect orchestrating the movement of entire galactic superclusters. The very fabric of space, the grand cosmic tapestry itself, seemed to be gently but forcefully being pulled in a specific direction, drawing everything with it. But things took an even stranger turn as scientists began to map these cosmic flows with greater precision. For decades, the Great Attractor was an elusive target, shrouded in what astronomers call the zone of avoidance, a region of the sky heavily obscured by the dust and gas within our own Milky Way galaxy. This made direct observation incredibly difficult. It was like trying to see a light at the end of a tunnel, but the tunnel itself was filled with a blinding fog. However, as technology advanced, particularly with infrared telescopes that could peer through the cosmic dust, the veil began to lift. In 2014, a groundbreaking study precisely mapped a supercluster of galaxies that encompasses our own, aptly named Laniakea, which means immense heaven in Hawaiian. Laniakea isn't just any supercluster, it's a monstrous gravitational well, spanning 500 million light-years and containing the mass of about 100 quadrillion suns distributed among 100,000 galaxies. Our local group, including the Milky Way, is but a tiny, inconspicuous part of this colossal structure. The astonishing revelation was that all these galaxies within Laniakea, including ours, are all flowing like streams of water towards a common gravitational center. This center was confirmed to be the Great Attractor, but its true nature still remained shrouded in mystery. It was no longer just a vague point. It was the gravitational nexus of an unimaginable cosmic network. The sheer scale was mind-boggling. Our entire cosmic neighborhood, our entire supercluster, is being drawn into this cosmic sinkhole. The question then became, what is this Great Attractor? Is it a supermassive black hole, a cluster of clusters, or something even more profound, something that defied conventional astronomical understanding? The Laniakea discovery, while phenomenal, only deepened the mystery, providing a definitive address for our cosmic journey but not a clear destination. It was clear that the universe was not the static or evenly expanding entity we once imagined. It was a dynamic, flowing, almost living system, driven by unseen titanic forces. The implications were staggering. Our destiny, our galactic path, was not entirely our own, but dictated by an unseen, colossal gravitational force. The search for the source of this cosmic current became paramount, leading scientists to push the boundaries of observation further than ever before, venturing into the deepest, darkest corners of the cosmos, hoping to catch a glimpse of the invisible hand guiding our cosmic dance. What they discovered next changed everything, taking us closer to pinpointing the origin of this gravitational tug. In 2016, a team of scientists utilizing the incredible capabilities of the 2-mass, 2-micron all-sky survey, extended source catalog, and the Parkes radio telescope in Australia finally pierced through the galactic dust and identified a colossal, previously unknown supercluster. They named it V856. This discovery was monumental because V856 wasn't just another supercluster. It was positioned directly behind the Great Attractor, precisely where theoretical models predicted the ultimate source of our cosmic flow should be. Imagine looking for a powerful magnet, and you can only see its influence but not the magnet itself because it's behind a thick wall. V856 was like finally seeing the magnet, or at least a significant part of it. This new supercluster contained hundreds of thousands of galaxies, densely packed and creating an immense gravitational potential. It was so massive, so profoundly dense, that it provided the strongest evidence yet for the true identity of the Great Attractor, a concentration of matter on a scale that beggars belief. But even V856, immense as it is, might not be the single definitive source. Instead, it's more likely that V856 is a part of the Great Attractor, a major component of this grander gravitational complex. The Great Attractor is now understood not as a single object, but as a vast, diffuse, yet incredibly dense region of space, encompassing several superclusters, all contributing to the colossal gravitational well that pulls our entire Laniakea supercluster towards it. The scale of this arrangement is difficult to comprehend. It's like our entire city, our continent, even our planet, is caught in the undertow of a vast ocean current, and V856 is one of the largest storms driving that current. The galaxies within these superclusters aren't just congregating, they're in a cosmic dance, a gravitational ballet driven by forces that originated billions of years ago. This gravitational connection, this cosmic thread, is not just some localized anomaly. It's a fundamental characteristic of our universe's large-scale structure, revealing how matter clumps together on the most monumental of scales. The detection of V856 was a turning point, providing tangible evidence of what had long been an enigmatic ethereal force. It brought the Great Attractor from a theoretical concept into a nearly observable reality, allowing us to map the gravitational landscape in unprecedented detail. To this day, the Great Attractor remains an active area of research, continually revealing new layers of cosmic complexity. While V856 provides a crucial piece of the puzzle, the full extent and precise nature of the Great Attractor and the broader gravitational landscape are still being unraveled. We know we are a small part of the Laniakea supercluster, itself a small part of an even larger gravitational current leading to this immense unseen concentration of matter. It's a humbling thought, a profound reminder of our place in the vastness. We are not static, nor are we truly independent. Our galactic home is on a journey, pulled by an invisible hand, a cosmic puppeteer orchestrating the dance of 100,000 galaxies. The universe, in its incomprehensible scale, continues to reveal its secrets, showing us that the connections between celestial bodies are far more intricate and far-reaching than we ever dared to imagine. As we continue to gaze into the cosmic abyss, one thing becomes clear. Our understanding of the universe and our place within it is constantly evolving, revealing a grand design far more mysterious and interconnected than any science fiction could ever conceive. If you want more mysteries like this, the next video explores the enigmatic signal from the WOW event, and how it continues to baffle astronomers decades later.